Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HENC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. First off, congratulations to members of the community. Yesterday, February 11th, you can see HENC just barely made the watch list because, and I'll talk about that here. But for those members, definitely congratulations, got in the day before this beautiful, beautiful breakout. So if you're interested in how the community I offer works, there you go. So you can see right there. But HENC, you can see, just made the cut. But, sometimes, being at the very end is the best place to be because that's the last one people pay attention to. But regardless, today, excellent sideways channel breakout. So going into the day, price had been trapped between this channel, but got the breakout. And you can see the rest was history. An absolutely beautiful move to the upside. So a lot of updates now to be made. First, so much so that I'm going to actually just get rid of both of these lines here. They both still pertain. They're just not really relevant right now, and I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible from the annotation standpoint. But first area to point out here is just the area of resistance. And there's nothing fancy, there's nothing complicated behind this at all, other than the fact that that's essentially where the party finally stopped today. But it could totally be argued that the only reason the party stopped was because the closing bell rang. So right up there around 21, 22 cents, going to be the first key level to watch. But like I said, from that point of view, I would totally not argue against the whole idea was, yeah, I guess, Clay, but I think it just stopped going up because the bell rang. And like I said, that given how the chart looks right now, that is a valid point to make. Now, as far as levels of support, one of the newest areas of support, what I would call the ideal level, is at 15. I mean, Clay, what would make this chart look the best? Certainly if the price can stay above 15, but from the overarching point of view, as long as the price continues to stay above that purple line, the 50-period moving average, as the name implies, this line is going to move itself higher and higher as the week plays out. But as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. Everyone must visualize that is what is being represented. But overall, massive breakout today, so congrats to members. But overall, great looking chart. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.